at Springfield, 65 at Bennington, and 47 at Portland. The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clinton County in northern New York, Essex County in northern New York, Lamoille County in northwestern Vermont, West Central Orleans County in northeastern Vermont, Addison County in central Vermont, southern Grand Isle County in northwestern Vermont, northwestern Rutland County in southern Vermont, Chittenden County in northwestern Vermont, northwestern Windsor County in southern Vermont, western Washington County in central Vermont, southern Franklin County in northwestern Vermont until 4:30 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Bluff Point to Mount Marcy, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Essex Junction, Plattsburgh International Airport, Burlington, Burlington International Airport, Plattsburgh, Middlebury, South Burlington, Bridgeends, Peru, Schuyler Falls, Moriah, Willsboro, Crown Point, Morrisville, Westport, Elizabethtown, Keene, Minerva, Waterbury Village and Orwell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service